Today I'm going to show you how to mix up the timing and rhythm on that, depending on whether you want to work on hand speed, whether you want to work on power, technique, whatever you want to work on. I'm going to show you how the rhythm and the timing of breaking that up can do that for you. All right, so if we take the 1-2 hook fundamental combination in boxing, we're going jab, cross, hook. So jab, cross, hook. Now, if we're delivering that in a standard rhythm, all three punches are going to be delivered together in that same rhythm. Bam, 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 1-2 hook, 1-2 hook, right? Now, obviously the timing of the call, the way I make that call for the boxer is going to determine what I get back. So if I want that standard rhythm, I'm going to say 1-2 hook, right? That's going to give me that back. Now, if we want to split that up and play around with the timing here a little bit, we can go jab to start, and then we can drill the power punches from there, the cross and the hook separately. So a little pause after the jab. So here's an example of how we can use this combination for power by just kind of putting a little pause in there. So it'll be more like jab and then cross hook. So he's just playing with the jab to freeze it for a second, bringing the hand back, seeing what's there, and then throwing the 2 hook from there. So go jab, and then he just delivers the power punches as soon as I throw the mitts up for that. So one more time, jab, go. Right? So that's how we can split it up. The jab first, then deliver the power punches. If we want to work for hand speed, just down to me to get that speed out of him by making the call a lot quicker. So going back to delivering all 3 punches in the same cadence, bam, 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 just get me to get more speed out of him. So 1-2 hook. Now if I want it fast, it'll be like 1, 2, 3. Good, 1, 2, 3. Good. Now if we want to slow it down but still deliver all 3 together, we can just slow down the time in the call. So 1, 2, 3. Good, 1, 2, 3. And always you can use the mitts to prompt your boxer to remind them how it should sound. That audio cue is always a really powerful tool when trying to get this stuff out of your clients as well. All right, now another example of how we can split up the rhythm. First one we did the jab first, then we delivered the power shots. If we just want to focus on delivering one power shot, we can start with the 1-2. So 1-2. And he's going to kind of freeze and stay over on that left side, load up that hook, a little pause again, and then whip the hook in as soon as I give him the mitt. Good. So 1-2, and then wait for the mitt for the hook. Good. Again. Go. Nice. One more. Good, perfect. So there you have it, just a couple of examples you can use using the 1-2 hook of how you can split up the rhythms and the timings and the patterns to get whatever you want out of it, whether it's hand speed, working on landing the hook, working on landing the cross hook, sticking the jab, whatever you want to work on. A couple of examples there of how you can use it. So just a quick recap before we sign off for the day. Going back to the standard rhythm, the 1-2 hook. That's how we can drill it, just to get those fundamentals and develop that rhythm with our more beginner boxers. If we want to develop the cross hook and the power shots, we can stick the jab first and then come in and split the rhythm that way. If we want to work on hand speed, just using that audio cue. So 1, 2, 3. Again. Good. And then if we want to develop the hook, we can deliver the 1-2 first, 1-2, and then boxer just glues their eyes on the pad and then whips that hook in at the end. So 1-2. Good. And the key right here is just staying over on the left side. So 1-2 with an orthodox boxer. So he's landed that cross, keeping that weight about 60% on that front foot. So 1-2, and then shifting that weight to the power side with the hook. Go. Good. One more. Nice, good. All right, so hopefully that helps you. You can use the 1-2 hook, whatever combinations you feel comfortable with. That's a good place to start with the 1-2 hook if you haven't really played around with the rhythms like this before. Try it out. A reminder, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification. That way you're gonna get notified of the videos each week. Let me know how it goes. Try it out in your sessions. Leave your feedback in the comments. I'd love to hear how it goes. Thanks for watching, guys. Check out this beginner mitt work video that you can follow along with on the heavy bag or in your shadow boxing. Try it out.